Assalamu alaikum fam, hope you're doing well. So this is a unique way to do pesto chicken. You add a little bit of water, a little bit of extra olive oil because the pesto sauce, which is basil, pine nuts, and olive oil, has a little bit but not quite enough. And you obviously lay the thigh meat out. You want to salt it, put a little bit of black pepper, pickled garlic, that's pickled garlic, sour cream, pesto, and a lime, and let this cook for a while. And it really has a sort of unique flavor because it's not fried, but it's also baked. It's sort of a hybrid way to do it. And it doesn't get overly dried out because there's fluids on the bottom, right, that help it to kind of steam yet retain some type of crunchy yet juiciness. So I highly recommend trying that. Hopefully, inshallah, you can try out this recipe. The basil, lime, sour cream, garlic, it all really goes really well together and is best served hot. So I'm going to serve it with a side of potatoes. So hopefully you can serve it maybe with some polenta. Polenta is very good. I haven't bought cornmeal in a while and made polenta. It's pretty time consuming, but this would go really great with polenta. So hopefully this gives you a new recipe idea, and alhamdulillah for everything.